Maple's world of curiosity.
During the slam dunk contest, player spins around. In the air on a snowboard, jump, feet leave the ground. What's that move called when they spin completely? A 360, you said it
Nicely.
a full turn circle all the way around. That same idea in math is found. A circle measures, listen carefully, 360 degrees exactly.
So when we measure with a protractor tool,
We're thinking about that full spin rule. More than 180 degrees, less than 360 degrees. That's a reflex angle, big and twisty. Measure the inside, subtract from 360. That's how you find it, clear and quickly. Place the center, line up zero carefully. Measure, subtract from 360.
now suppose the question said,
Draw or measure 230 degrees.
first step, don't rush, don't guess. Find the interior angle first, yes.
Start with the full turn, 360 degrees. Take away 230 degrees. 360 minus 230. What are you left with? 130.
So the interior angle is 130 degrees. That's the one you draw with ease.
Grab your protractor, place it tight, center on the vertex, just right. Baseline flat along the ray, find 130.
Mark that plane.
Draw your second ray nice and clean.
Now 130 degrees can be seen.
But wait, that's not the reflex yet. That's the inside angle you just said. More than 180 degrees, less than 360 degrees. That's a reflex angle, big and twisty. Given reflex, subtract from 360. Draw the inside first correctly, then mark the outside carefully. That outside space is 230 degrees. Now look at the outside sweep,
The larger angle, wide and deep.
that space around the backside there.
That's the reflex.
Take your pencil,
Trace the arc
trace the arc
on the outside.
Pick your mark, right 230 degrees beside the exterior space, nice and wide. So remember, every time you see a reflex angle like 230 degrees, step 1, subtract from 360. Step 2, draw the interior carefully. Step 3, label the outside arc. That's your reflex, make your mark. More than 180 degrees, less than 360 degrees. That's a reflex angle, big and twisty. Subtract from 360 degrees. Draw the inside carefully. Mark the outside clearly. That's your reflex angle, 230 degrees. Full circle thinking mathematically. Reflex angles in geometry.
Hi everyone, it's Maple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want a special shout out for your class, ask your teacher to fill out the form in the description below.